I just wanted to make an impromptu video. It's February the 7th, 2021. We've had a bit of a blizzard, quite obviously. So, I've been busy in here, bubble wrapping everything, because I need to make sure we keep it a bit cozier. I've got it to 53.2 degrees, which is pretty good. Good for my peas. I mean, they'll germinate at sort of 40 degrees. In fact, an awful lot of plants are actually quite happy outside in the snow. Even coriander can sit there with snow on it. Just wanted to make sure I've got some lettuces coming up in there. Yeah, just trying to keep things warm, but it's not exactly the weather for pyjamas right now. But back indoors, as you can see, my cress is starting to come, which is really good. There's a point that I'm showing you that for. That's because that's basically what I'm doing with the peas outside. But I'll explain that in a proper video coming soon.